Tissot PR100 Lady Sport Chic watch is a perfect gift for your lady in any occasion. It will definitely put a sweet smile on her face when she sees this beautiful timepiece. The Tissot PR100 Lady Sport Chic has a round case made of 316L stainless steel case with rose gold PVD coating. It also has a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, and only a diamond can scratch this type of glass. This watch is water-resistant up to a pressure of 10 bar, 100 meters or 330 feet. It is a Swiss quartz movement watch with EOL, battery end-of-life indicator function. The buckle is made of stainless steel strap in rose gold 5N and gray color, and it is a folding clasp with push buttons. The Tissot PR100 Lady Sport Chic's dial is made of white mother of pearl with 12 real diamond indexes. Mother of pearl is formed in the depths of the sea and harbors very unique features such as iridescence and opalescence. No two specimens are alike, which gives the watch a unique character, especially for ladies' watches, both on the dial and on other elements. The 12 diamonds in this dial are 0.0456 carat each, 8/8 single cut top Wesselton color in VSSI clarity. You can buy the Tissot PR100 Lady Sport Chic in any Swiss Gear branches or Lucerne branches. You can also buy it online through Lucerne Exclusive Online. We hope you like this video. Thanks for watching!